Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The 2023 Marian Congress, organized by the Salesians of the East Africa Province AFE and held at the Shrine of Mary Help of Christians in the Don Bosco Upper Hill Center, ended on the 1st of July with a solemn mass presided over by Father Simon Asira Lipuku, AFE Provincial. Furthermore, the mass was concelebrated by Father George Tharaniel, who will assume the leadership of the AFE province for the 6-year period 2023 to 29 from next August, and by Father Emilio Salema, Superior of the new Saint Artemidizati province of Tanzania. Lastly, one of the notable presences was that of Don Alejandro Guevara, World Spiritual Animator of ADMA. Before the end of the Congress, on a third day, the theme was, "How is it possible?" Luke chapter 1 verse 34, the challenges in Mary's life and in ours. Furthermore, the final day was marked by a pilgrimage of about 10 kilometers to the Garden of Resurrection, a unique place of prayer in Africa. Over 850 participants divided into groups of 20 people joined the pilgrimage, praying the rosary and singing Marian hymns. 158 people made the promise as members of the ADMA in the Salesian Timor-Leste Vice Province on the 24th of June at the National Shrine in Fatoumata. Father Manuel Pinto, Vice Superior of the TLS Vice Province, celebrated the Eucharist, concelebrated by Father Manuel Jimenez, Delegate for ADMA in the TLS Vice Province, with 4 other priests. Present at the celebration were many ADMA members from different centers around the country, together with their president and the close collaborators, FMA sisters, their vice provincial, Sister Evangelina Xavier da Costa, FMA, and new members' families. After the homily, the candidates made the promise to live the virtues of Mary, ready to be her witness in their Christian life as well as promoters of devotion to Our Lady. Each candidate received Our Lady's Medal and the ADMA Manual as a rule of life. At the end of the celebration, in front of the shrine, the ADMA TLS presented the first edition of its bulletin. On the 1st of Saturday, July 2023, Father Bart de Kang was officially installed as the Provincial of the Salesians of Don Bosco in Flanders and the Netherlands. During the Salesian-style celebration, the installation took place and the necessary documents were signed in the presence of Father Roman Jachimuix, the Regional Councillor for Central and Northern Europe region. During the Eucharist, the 300 invited guests witnessed the installation of Father Bart as the new Provincial. It was followed by a small program during which the outgoing Provincial, Father Wilfred Wambeke, was honored and Father Bart de Kang was presented and welcomed. The celebration was graced with beautiful music by Floris and the Flames. Floris is a former pupil of Don Bosco Hechtel and has already gained international fame as a violinist. Sang Thong Vithaya Salesian School, together with some FMA schools in Thailand, organized an educational and cultural exchange trip with the schools run by the Salesian family in Hong Kong from the 25th June to 1st of July. The group, led by Tanat Anand, SDB, headmaster of the school, and 4 daughters of Mary Help of Christians, consisted of 34 students from the SME program and 2 teachers. They were able to visit the schools and carry out various activities together with students from 3 schools: the DMHC Sui Ming Catholic Secondary School, the Aberdeen Technical School, and Tang King Post School. It was a nice opportunity to get to know the culture of Hong Kong and to share a moment of friendship in a Salesian atmosphere. Also important was the presence of 10 young people from the Salesian youth movement in Hong Kong who looked after the group for the duration of the trip. Don Bosco Tech and LTI Mindtree signed up for skill training focusing on East and Northeast India. The formal inauguration of the partnership kicked off with an event at Don Bosco ITI Krishna Nagar, West Bengal, the Center of Skill Training. The event was organized on June 16 by the provincial leadership team from the province of Kolkata and CSR leadership from LTI Mindtree Company. Mindtree Foundation is the CSR wing of LTI Mindtree. The foundation's social development initiatives focus on activities in the areas of environment, education, empowerment, and health and nutrition. This partnership envisages training of 400 youth in West Bengal, Meghalaya, Arunachal, Mizoram, and Assam. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.